Delhi's history is a rich tapestry woven from ancient legends, imperial reigns, and the modern dynamism of India's capital. So today I will explore 4 heritage eateries in Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Chandni Chowk is basically a historic market in Delhi, was established in the 17th century by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan's daughter Jahanara Begum. It was designed as a square with a pool in the center to reflect moonlight, giving it the name Moonlight Square. The market was a prominent commercial and residential area during the Mughal era and remains a bustling marketplace today. Let's visit King of Naan in Chandni Chowk. I am at Kake Di Hatti, which is since 1942, and this is located in Chandni Chowk, Delhi. And for full location details, you can check out the description box. So let's go inside. Let's try out the food items. So let's go. Wow, so huge naan. This is the Kake Aloo Naan. So let's try this out. Just check out the size. This is Kake. Can you just imagine? You can also take it in baby and nikah, but this looks awesome. So let's take the Aloo Kake Naan. Just check out the size of this one piece only. And here is the chole. So let's try this out. See the aloo pool. Let's try out with the chole. Oh god. Let's take the salad too. Let's have this. Let's try out with dahi. Now let's move on to Parathe Wali Gali. I am at Parathe Wala Gali in Chandni Chowk, and I am at Gaya Prasad Sip Charan, and which is since 1872 and run by 6th generation. And I am here to try out the Rabri ka paratha and Papad ka paratha. So let's get inside, and also I will try out the special sabji, that is Sitafal ki sabji, and let's go now. So finally, let's try out the Rabri paratha and Papad paratha with the sabji. Let's try out the Papad paratha. So let's break this from middle. Oh, wow, this looks really great. Just check this out. I am trying this for the very first time, and this is such a unique paratha. So let's try with the Sitafal ki sabji. So finally, let's give the bite. Guys, literally, I can say you, this is so much heavenly. It's so good in taste, and this Sitafal ki sabji is so unique in taste. And I'm trying for the very first time like the Sitafal ki sabji. Oh my god, can you just imagine? And the feeling of the Papad paratha. It is overloaded with the papad. আমি তো অনেক ভালোই দেখাচ্ছি। নাইস। So finally, let's try out the Rabri ka paratha. Let's break it from the middle. Oh wow! Just check this. It is overloaded with the dry fruits and like the rabri. Just check out the rabri. Oh wow! 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 And just check out the rabri. Something unbelievable. I can't say much. It's too tasty. Now let's go to Chowri Bazaar. I am at Sham Sweets and this is located in Chowri Bazaar and this is since 1910. As you can see, just check over here. And I am here for Bedmi Puri and Nagori Halwa. Just check the feeling of inside. It's so good. Let's have this. Let's try out with the aloo ki sabji. So let's try out the Nagori halwa. This is Nagori and here is the halwa. So you have to eat it like the golgappa or the fuchka. Let's take the halwa and keep it inside this and let's enjoy this. Now let's go to Dariba Kalan. I am at old famous Jalebi Wala and this is located in Dariba Kalan and I am here to try out the most famous jalebi with rabri. See the rabri quality. Let's try out the rabri at first. Oh god, it is too good. Oh god, let's try out the jalebi with the rabri. It's amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please do a like, comment and share.